Welcome back to our channel, viewers. Hope you guys are having a great day. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Wells Fargo account, online banking account to be precise. And Wells Fargo is an American bank, so if you guys are a citizen of America, you can create an account in it as well. Now, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos, and let's move on, shall we? So the first step is you want to search for Wells Fargo login and click on the first link over here. After you do that, it's going to take you to this website, which is the official website of Wells Fargo. And over here, you want to click on where it says sign on at the top. And once you do that, it's going to take you to this page. And over here, you want to enter the username of your account. And after you enter the username of your account, you want to enter the password of your account. After you enter the password of your account, you want to click on the sign in button over here at the bottom. It's going to log you into your Wells Fargo online banking account. So it's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and bye bye everybody.